And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today called upon the world for an integrated approach to deal with the impact of disasters. Speaking at the 5th edition of the International Conference on Disaster Resilient Infrastructure, ICDRI 2023, Mr. Modi said in a closely connected world, the impact of disasters will not just be local, and therefore the response has to be integrated, not isolated. He added that each nation and region faces disaster of different kinds, and societies evolve local knowledge related to infrastructure that can withstand disasters.
India is also bringing the world together through its G20 presidency. At the president of G20, we have already included the CDRI in many working groups. The solutions you explore here will receive attention at the highest levels of global policy making. This is an opportunity for CDRI to contribute to infrastructure resilience, especially against climate risk and disaster.